I think this is a brand new train. I've never, I know it's not, it's a CT. And that is the Blue Mountains, looking towards the Balzina Road from the Great Western Highway up here at Lawson. Hope you enjoyed that. This is one of these really weird road places. Look at the dip on that hill. That's the old Great Western Highway. There's the railway line over the new Great Western Highway. And all this has been built in the last 20 years. Non-railway, but I used to drive down that road over there when that was the Great Western Highway when I was 20 years old, 40 years ago. So 40 years ago, that was the Great Western. What a difference. See ya, hope you enjoy that. Mr. Hominoid down here in Australia. hominoidsaustralia@gmail.com. Hominoid on Facebook. And Mr. Hominoid obviously on YouTube. See ya, down here in Australia. Look.